viewer, Hanukkah great creation. Thought, success does not just find you, you have to go out and get it done. Today I want to talk about the power of farmers. A farmer is a magician who produces money from mud. India is land of agriculture and farmers are the soul of nation. There is proverb that says those too lazy to plow in the right season will have no food at the harvest. Farmers play a very major role in our economic. Entire nation are depend upon farmers. Farmers Day is celebrated on 23rd December. It is celebrated on due to birth of Chaudhary Charan Singh. He said slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Today I am going to say about advantages of social media. When we look at the positive aspect of social media, we find numerous advantages. The most important being a great device for education. All the information once requires is just click away. Students can educate themselves when various topics using social media. More about live lectures are not possible because of social media. You can attend a lecture happening in America while sitting in India. Furthermore, as more and more people distance themselves today I am saying myself. My name is Ishwar. I am studying grade 3 Hazel. I am 8 years old. My school name is Hazel Vidyaniketan International School. My father name is Nagaraju. He is a shopkeeper. My mother name is Pallavi. She is a homemaker. My favorite colors are yellow and green. I like to eat egg biryani. My best friend name is Jayan. My class teacher and board teacher name is Neetu Ma'am and Saurav sir. My favorite subject is social. My hobbies are playing and reading. I want to become a cricketer. Thank you. My name is Nikshita. Now I am going to tell self-introduction. My name is Nikshita. I am studying grade 3 Hazel. My father name is Gopala Krishna Reddy. My mother name is Manasa. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker. My favorite food is dosa. My favorite colors are pink and red. My school name is S.R. Vidyaniketan International School. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Today's disadventure of social media is brought to you by Svecha from grade 3 Hazel. Social media is one of most harmful element of society. Addiction of social media which is quite common among the youth. This addiction hamper academic performance of a student as they waste their time on social media of studying. Instead of studying, social media also creates social media also create communal rift. Thank you. Have a nice day. Here to stand before you all today. Every day is a new day full of opportunities. Let's take a moment to reflect on our goals and aspirations for the day ahead. Let's start the day with a positive mindset and strive to make the best of every moment. Remember, it's important to be kind and respectful to everyone we interact with. Let's work together to get our school better place by spreading positivity and joy. Let's set an example for others and show them what it means to be a good student. Let's be grateful for what we have and thank you. Today's conversation is brought to you by Hazel. Today, our conversation is on Chandrayaan 3.
Be louder. Be louder.
Popular saying about success. Yes, I know. What is that? Failure is the killer of success. Chandrayaan 3 is the best example for this. On July 27, 2019, Ishiro launched Chandrayaan 2. The lander was scheduled to touch down on the lunar surface on 6 September 2019. As Kirtan, the lander lost contact with the mission controls. When land and crashed near the southpole, it did not get success. Yes, Sunny, though Indian scientists did not get success, but they tried to continue their mistakes. Chandrayaan 3 was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center on 14 July 2023. On 23rd August, it landed successfully on South Pole. The Vikram lander was responsible for safe landing on the moon. It brings national pride and economic growth. It brings attracting attention, collaboration around the world. Chandrayaan 3 teaches us try until you get success.
My brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its traits and very heritage. I shall always stay to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. Jai Hind.
Respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and my students. Myself Deeksha.
I am Shravani from Great and Topaz.
We are here to do conversation. Hi Shravani, how are you? What's your planning about your future studies?
I am doing good. My ambition is to become a doctor. And what about you?
My ambition is to become IAS. This makes me change my life.
I would like to provide free services to the poor people.
I choose IAS because to serve my nation.
Good. When we choose our career of our choice, we feel happy and do hard work, willing to success in our life.
So everyone work hard, choose your goal and succeed in your life. Thank you.
A speech on value of time. We all know that time is very important to our life. Once time passes, it never come back. Time is the most valuable thing in the universe. If we lost in the money, we can end back. But if we lost in the time, we cannot. So we should never waste the time until end moment of our life. Thank you.
Happy morning to all, to my respected principal sir and director sir and my friends and my teachers. I am here to give a short speech. The people who sacrifice their life to us and every time take care to us and knows what we like and what we do not like. They are none other than our parents. And Father is equal to Lord Shiva. He is the only person who do hard work night and morning. Father is the only person who work hard night and morning to earn money to the family and to us. And in Ramayanam, Rama Dasharatha Maharaju says to Rama to do 14 years Vanavasam. So Rama did it 14 years Vanavasam and he stand on his promise. So we all also should stand on our words with father and mother. Mother carries a baby for 9 months and give birth to a baby with lot of problems and equal to Parvati Devi. She's equal to Parvati Devi, and she is the only woman that she sacrificed whole life to the family. And if there is only little amount of food, first she feeds the baby, and she may be fasting. So mother has so patience. So let us respect our parents. And parents are sacrificing so many things in our life. So let us also do something like success to them. Thank you.
A very happy morning to the director, principal, teachers, and all my friends present here. I'm Shrestha of Great and Topaz, here to give a speech on Earth. Earth is the only planet in the whole solar system which supports life. Earth has favorable conditions like water, air, and gases. But nowadays, Earth is in danger due to overusage and wastage of renewable resources, and this led to global warming. How to save Earth? Plant more trees. Use less land for crop cultivation. Have a good balance between human and nature. Use renewable resources like solar energy and wind energy. Thank you. I hope you follow. Happy morning everyone. I'm Akshay from 10th A. So I'm here to give a speech of hard work. Continuous hard work is required for a success. While we are doing hard work, many mistakes we may do, but we should not stop doing hard work. We should continue our work by correcting them. This is the biggest secret of life. Failure is a stepping stone. So what only people says, failure is a stepping stone for a success. Hard work is a key of success. After hard work has no ending. After doing work, success may take a time, but it's compulsory. Thank you.
Respected Director Sir, Principal Sir, my dear teachers and my dear friends, happy morning to all. I'm Harshita of Grade 10 Topaz, and now I'm going to give a speech on education. Education is a crucial part of every human life. Education make a person to creativity and overcome on the society. Education make teachers to how to lead a life. Education is about skills, knowledge, and creativity, and overcoming the problems. Education make us to achieve goals. Achieving world has a peace, freedom, and equality in all. That's why education is necessary to all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Sai Shashank of Grade 10 Topaz. Time is the most valuable. It is the fourth dimension. In this age, time is most valuable for studies and exploring things. In leisure period, time we have to use in knowing other things and knowing our subject. I request all, please use time in proper way. Thank you.
Sabino, I'm from Great Topaz. Today I'm here to give a speech about air pollution. My name is Sabino. I'm from Great Topaz. Today I'm here to give a speech about air pollution. Air pollution. What is meant by air pollution? Means air pollution due to burning of plastics and woods, fuels, and automobiles. It causes air pollution. Mainly deforestation also takes place. In our olden days, the height of the animals and humans will be bigger than us. Why? Because in the amount of oxygen will be 42%. Nowadays, the amount of oxygen is 21%. Friends, I am requesting you, please plant the trees and don't burn plastic. Thank you.